Hi, I'm Tanya Roundtree, Head of Listings with Cboe Canada. Welcome to today's Issuer Insights discussion with Stephen Gailey, Executive Director of CDR Sales at CIBC. Congratulations on the exciting launch of the new suite of 15 U.S. CDRs.
Thank you very much.
With this expansion, obviously, the universe of CDRs is growing and there's a lot of excitement. Yep. It's really great to have you here to talk about the launch. So thanks for being with us.
It's great to be here today.
Yeah. Okay, so let's dive right in. Can you provide our viewers with a snapshot of the current CDR market and what the importance of this new U.S. offering is?
Absolutely, yeah. So at this point, we're actually over 100 listings of CIBC CDRs in the market, of which 90 of those listings are based on tracking U.S. underlying equities. So we're really excited to bring this additional launch of another 15 names to market. And actually, at this stage, we're representing about over 65% of the weighting of the S&P 500. So certainly fantastic for Canadians to start building those portfolios.
What do you think are the driving forces behind the decision to launch these 15 new U.S. CDRs?
We've certainly seen an accelerated pace of adoption for the CDR offering across Canada, and that's across all wealth channels, really self-directed investors, investment advisors, discretionary portfolio managers. And what we're really seeing is the interest in that Canadian dollar and also the Canadian dollar denomination, plus that currency hedge as well, because we're certainly seeing some individuals that are a bit concerned about that pullback in U.S. equities, and that I suppose double whammy in terms of that pullback in the U.S. dollar as well, certainly impacting Canadians' portfolios.
So it's interesting to see that some of that enthusiasm isn't just from retail, that it's also from portfolio managers and advisors and that community. That's exciting to see.
It absolutely is.
Yeah.
And what we're seeing as the true interest in the CDR product is, I suppose it's less of a product, more of an investment tool that CIBC has brought to market. And portfolio managers especially are seeing that ease of use when it comes to just transacting in Canadian dollars. You're able to work with all shapes and sizes of accounts and clients, and it's simply very much a Canadian take on how to manage our access to global equities. And of course, that currency hedge as well is certainly shown as a significant piece of value for Canadians as well at this point.
Yeah, definitely a strong draw. When you think to the future in terms of innovations that we might see from CDRs, is there anything that you can give us a glimpse into about what we could anticipate?
In terms of our product strategy, we're certainly looking to very much recycle what we've been bringing to market over the past almost 4 years now. And that aim is really just to listen to our audience. So be it self-directed investors again, or investment advisors and portfolio managers, we actually have a fantastic crowd, a fantastic audience that is very much interested to see our space grow further. And they're continuously coming back to us, mentioning names that they would like to see added into the universe, new product iterations. We recently brought European CDRs to market as well. So as we continue to expand the breadth of the program, this current launch of 15 CDRs in the US side is really focused on really filling those gaps in the offering as well. So bringing sectors and subsectors that had less representation to market, and really ensuring that we're able to continue to build out portfolios. So I think next step as well is likely entering into the institutional realm to a degree as well, to see if maybe the next phase is creating more product using the CDR as a base product for those.
Well, thanks so much for being with us, Stephen. We really appreciate you sharing some insights on the latest launch and what we can expect as we go forward. It's certainly exciting to see the growth and innovation that's coming from CIBC. So thank you for being with us.
Thank you very much for having me.
If you're interested in learning more about the CIBC CDRs, please don't hesitate to visit us at Cboe.com. Thanks for being with us.